In a longer document such as a proposal, you can add a layer of professionalism by including a table of contents at the start of your proposal. So here I've got a proposal with a basic cover page, and in here I'm just going to type in table of contents. And I don't want that to be part of the actual table of contents. So I'm not going to use one of these heading styles. I'm simply going to make that 16 points, Arial and bold. Now I want to insert a table of contents here. In order to do this, I must have already applied styles to my various headings throughout the proposal. So the first thing I need to do is place my cursor where I want the table of contents to appear. Then I'm going to go to References, Table of Contents. There's a variety of different options here. I'm going to choose Table of Contents. Now you'll notice here that I actually had the piece of text table of contents. I'm just going to take that out and I'm leaving that as it is. So what I have now is a simple table of contents with all the information based upon what I have in my proposal. If the typeface and font isn't exactly what you want, click it on the little three dots to select it all and just right click and choose Cut. Removes it. I can go to Table of Contents. In this case, I'll choose Custom Table of Contents. Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3 is all I want. And in the Modify options, I can come in here, and if I wanted to change the typeface, I could do that from here. I'm just going to click OK and click OK again, and it pops the details in there for me. Of course, if at any point in time I click on one of these headings, and I change the style, the heading style, so I'll make that a heading 1 style as well. If I come up here and right click on the table of contents, I choose Update Field, Update Entire Table, and when I click OK, it automatically updates my table of contents. So a table of contents is a great way of making your documents look more professional in longer Word documents, particularly proposals, making it easier for people to find elements of your proposal.